girls, here we're going to have a look at components on an incline plane. So just going behind the theory a little bit. So if I have a flat surface, say a box or a mass of something on top of that, and then say that box is 50 kilos, okay? Here I have a couple of forces acting on it. So I have the normal force, which keeps it pushing to the ground, and then I've got the weight force, which is W. Now weight comprises of mg. So my mass, which is 50 kilos, times my gravity, which is 9.8. And that'll be newtons. Okay, and now when it's flat on a plane, my normal force counteracts my weight force, so that's what keeps it on the ground and not moving about. Now the N works in the J direction, positive J direction, so N is actually 50 times 9.8 J, and then W is negative 50 times 9.8 J. So they counteract here. Now, these forces here, and you can see we've got our axes here. These also counteract each other. So usually we have friction, but we're not dealing with friction this term, and then that normally acts if you're pushing it this way. Friction counteracts the force because it slows the object down, and then you've usually got your force G that you're trying to push along, okay? And then they will balance each other out. At the moment, friction's 0 and the force is 0. So for it to be at equilibrium, the sum of all my forces equals 0.